Picture this. It's 6:30 a.m. on a Monday. Your alarm rings, but today feels different. You open your eyes and your phone shows a list of tasks already done while you slept. All your client emails are answered. Your day's schedule is perfectly arranged. Your online store updated with new products. And you haven't even had your first sip of coffee yet. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But this isn't a dream. This is what working in 2025 feels like. When AI works for you, not against you. Meet Airham. He runs a small digital marketing agency, or at least he tries to. Every morning he wakes up to a flood of problems, 50 unread emails, deadlines missed because he's always stuck replying to clients, content calendars that are never on schedule. By the time he ends his day, he's exhausted. He works hard, but somehow he never feels like he's actually moving forward. Maybe you felt the same, working more hours yet feeling less productive. For Aram, this cycle went on for months. He tried everything, waking up earlier, sleeping later, covering his desk with sticky notes, installing countless productivity apps. Nothing worked. Every day there were more tasks, more pressure, and more burnout. He felt trapped in an endless loop until one night something shifted. Scrolling through social media at 2 a.m., eyes half shut from fatigue, he came across a quote. "If you don't learn to automate, you'll always trade time for pennies." That line hit him like a punch. He realized he was selling his life in tiny pieces, minutes, hours, entire days, to tasks that didn't even need his brain to do them. So he started researching. At first, he thought automation was only for big corporations with huge budgets. But as he dug deeper, he discovered a different truth. Automation had become accessible to anyone, not just programmers, not just tech companies. Anyone who understood one simple principle: repetitive work is better done by machines. Creative, meaningful work is better done by humans. Aram decided to try. He started small, setting up simple systems to handle his repetitive tasks. Things like sorting his emails, scheduling posts, tracking deadlines automatically, and something incredible happened. Within weeks, his life changed. Mornings that used to start with chaos now began with clarity. Instead of a noisy inbox, he woke up to a neat summary of what actually needed his attention. Instead of scrambling to remember deadlines, his calendar reminded him before he even thought about it. Instead of working late into the night, he found himself free in the evenings, sitting with his family, laughing without a laptop glowing on the table. One evening, sitting on his balcony, watching the sunset, he realized something profound. AI didn't replace me, it rescued me. And maybe that's the truth we all need to hear. Automation isn't here to steal our jobs. It's here to take away the stress, the wasted hours, the endless to-do lists, and give us back what really matters: time, freedom, and the chance to create something bigger than ourselves. This is what 2025 can be for you too. A world where machines handle the boring parts of life so you can focus on living. So maybe the question isn't, will AI take my job? Maybe the real question is, will I let it give me my life back? The future isn't coming, it's already here. And if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, start exploring automation today. And if you want more stories like this, subscribe to SYNTHORA. Because the AI revolution isn't about replacing humans. It's about making us more human than ever before.